Welcome to PCPM Refrigeration, specialists in refrigeration, air conditioning and more in the Derby, Sheffield and Chesterfield area. We are proud to supply and install all aspects of commercial refrigeration with over 25 years experience behind us. We're also experts in the installation of ice making machines, multi-deck refrigerated display cabinets, refrigerated counters and more. Our aim is to specify the correct piece of commercial refrigeration for the correct application. A free site survey is offered to ensure every piece of equipment we supply is fit for purpose. Although our ethos to dealing with customers has remained the same, we constantly look to adapt and innovate the way we support our clients. Our team have completed over 1,000 projects including minor repairs, removal, disposal and replacement of products, every time delivering a service that sets us apart from our competitors. Don't just take our word for it, simply get in touch today to find out more.